Some very basic rules of capitalization are good to review. Now, most of these are things we know already, but the fact that our phones often autocorrect for us means that sometimes a refresher is involved. So, what should be capitalized? First of all, things that you all should know and you've known for a very long time. The word I is always capitalized. The beginnings of sentences are always capitalized. So make sure you do that. Other things like acronyms and abbreviations should be capitalized. Um, Keywords in titles, and then proper nouns, which are specific people, places, and things. So let's look at some examples. So, Grandpa Jack. In this case, the G in Grandpa is capitalized because it is part of the name, Grandpa Jack. But my grandpa, I'm choosing that as a title, so that would not be capitalized. Brown County High School. The H and the S in high school are capitalized because it is a specific high school. If you're just talking about high school in general, though, that's not a proper noun. The BCHS Hornets. Hornets is capitalized here because it is a specific team, as opposed to Murder Hornets, which are not special. They're just another delightful treat that 2020 has left us with. As far as subjects for school, Spanish would be capitalized. English, basically any language is going to be capitalized. However, calculus is a subject, but it is not a proper noun on its own, so it would not be capitalized. With breeds of animals, so German Shepherd would be capitalized because German is going to be capitalized on its own. It's connecting it to the place. Golden Retriever would not. In the title, Lord of the Flies, so the L would be capitalized because it starts at the beginning. Of and the are minor words. They are not of great significance. So if they were not at the front of the title, if they weren't at the very beginning, they wouldn't be capitalized. Flies, however, is a keyword, so it would be. As far as like acronyms and abbreviations, so for example, NASA is. However, if I were going to abbreviate miscellaneous, it would not be. So you can see sometimes you have to stop and think about what it is, how the word is functioning, and with the acknowledgement that proper nouns are probably going to be what trip you up, just be conscious of how you are using capital letters. And if you don't know, look it up.